Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jinto from US Cricket Store bringing you another video review of one of the most dangerous player or intimidating player in the world cricket today, and his presence on the 22 yards sends down shivers on the backbone of bowlers when they try to bowl at him, be it a spinner or a fast bowler. I'm talking about none other than Mr. Andre Russell. He's famously known as Dre Russ, or most commonly or most recently known as the Danger Russ. We have two play edition bats left from the batch that we received from SS. We had 4, we sold already 2, and just blame this COVID that people are not able to come into the store and check it in their presence, or these bats would have been sold long back, the moment it came or arrived in the store. Well guys, the two bats that I have is as intimidating or beastly as the man himself. Now you know that he's a big unit. When he stands on the crease, he almost occupies the entire crease, and that's why the scare or the shiver on the bowlers that no matter the length of the ball will be disappearing from the park, right? And the bats that I have one surprise. So we're going to be reviewing 2 bats today, and I have one surprise for all the folks out there looking out to purchase the Dre Russ or the Andre Russell play edition bats from SS. So let's check out the first bat. This is the first bat, guys, again having the latest decals of latest and dedicated decals actually for Dre Russ by SS. You might have seen in the videos that SS has posted on their social media platforms that Dre Russ were praising the bats that were delivered to him, that which he uses to play in all the franchises around the globe, not only at the main franchises, but he plays at almost across the globe, and he plays for Kolkata Knight Riders in the middle order in IPL. Again guys, this is a very big bat. If you're looking at, we're looking at 42 mm on the edge and a 64 mm on the spine. Absolutely full profile, guys, and surprisingly this comes in with a toe guard and has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 grains. You're looking at 10 parallel equidistant grains on this one, with a tinge of hardwood on the right hander's outside edge. Well, that's a benefit for people. Even if it hits on the edge, the ball would tend to fly off really quick as well. Again guys, no concaving on the back of the bat, with the Danger Russ written on the back here as well, and again having the lovely the stealth black and the green color decals for Dre Russ this year. Now the handle shape on this one is actually a rounder handle throughout the length of the handle, and it does have 3 rubber inserts as with any SS play edition bats that we have. Again guys, just take a look at the profile, having the lovely duck bill toe here and having the SS stamp here, the ton stamping on the back, and having the lovely profile, guys. We spoke about the specs. I already told that it's like 42 mm on the edge and a 64 mm on the spine and a big chunky 29 mm on the toe, and you would require that 29 mm on the toe as well, because that Dre Russ has been targeted with a lot of Yorkers these days, and the counter attack from his side was he would just bend a little bit and he would hit the sixes off the bottom part of the bat, or just from the lower part of the bat here to counter attack those Yorkers. That guy is insane, unbelievable to say the least, the way he whacks the bowlers to all parts of the park, right? And this is no different, guys. The weight on this one, you heard the specs already, unbelievable specs, but the weight on this one is only 2.9.6 with the wrapper on. Guys, you're looking at a further slight reduction when we take the wrappers off as well. 2.9.6 with the wrapper on, round handle. How does it pick up? It picks up it picks up really well. It picks up more like a 2.8, an ounce lighter. I would not say like incredibly light, but an ounce lighter. But this is for someone who would really want to counter attack the bowling attack, to any way that they want to face the bowlers, right? So 8.5 on the pickup, maybe ounce lighter from what it is, and definitely beautifully balanced as well, even though there's a lot of wood focused, and there is wood here as well at the upper part. As I was saying in the Suryakumar Yadav profile as well, SS has done beautiful things this time that they have kept the wood at the top part of the bat, balancing out the bat for you when you are picking it up as well. So, let us check out the ping with the mallet first and then with the brand new cricket ball for this particular bat. Check out the ping guys with the mallet. We will start off from the toe as usual. We will work our way towards the stickers. Nothing in the toe and nothing should be expected. And if you see, there is some action already happening here. My God, it's going bonkers. It's a long hitting range area for you as the sweet spot region in the Drey Ras. This is a brand new cricket ball, guys. Wow. Just take a look at this, guys. Just take a look at the ball bouncing off from the surface without effort. Well, yeah, that's the thing with Drey Ras. Basically, you know, you would have to knock this bat in. There are some seam marks definitely that's appearing on the face. You would have to really oil the bat and knock the bat in before you start using in the nets as well. We can definitely provide that service to you if you were to buy the bat from us. But that was the bat number 1, guys, from the 2 bats. Now let's talk about the surprise that I said at the start of the video. The surprise is that the next bat that I'm going to be reviewing, which is another Drey Ras. This particular bat I'm talking about, guys, this is another Drey Ras. We are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 grains on this one. And again, guys, 11 grains, again monstrous profile. We're talking about 40 mm on the edge one, 63 mm on the spine, and again 29 mm on the toe. All that packed in 2.8.6. Yes, guys, you heard me right. 2.8.6 with the lovely bow. The same bow exists on the other one as well with lovely bow. 2.8.6 on the scales, picks up like a 2.7. You know, it's very light pickup. 2.7 on the scale as a pickup, sorry, but 2.8.6 on the scales, and that's unbelievable to say the least. And this one does not have a toe guard. If you see, this is the grain structure. It's very nice, neat, clean grain structure, and has the heartwood on the right handers inside edge on this one. This is slightly different, and that's the only difference that we have between the two. And same thing like this one, this has a rounder handle throughout the length of the handle, again coming with 3 inserts, rubber inserts, and 2.7 is the pickup on this one. Let's check out the ping with the brand new cricket ball on this one. You see the ping, guys. I mean, this is what Drey Ras is all about. And same thing, you know, it's the bats are intimidating as well with respect to the ping. You guys are seeing what is happening with the ball. You know, no wonder the guy can hit you know, long monstrous sixes to any bowler for that matter, regardless of the pace that he is bowling. Whether it is fast or slow, ball just tend to travel to all parts of the park. Guys, I hope you guys like this video, and the retail price of both the bats will be $644.99. You can reach out to us through any platform to purchase this bat, or you can click on the link in the description to purchase this bat as well. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Apparently, more than 80% of the folks who watch the video have not subscribed to our channel. As you might know that we have a giveaway of a grade 1 English Willow Cricket bat when we reach 1000 subscribers. So, you never know, you might be one of the lucky ones from the 1000 subscribers to get that bat. That was it for this video, guys. Until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.